What's up, YouTube? Slow-mo 8 coming at you to give you the completed video of this 86 Monte Carlo. He went on ahead and told me to go ahead and do the trunk. So this is what it's looking like. Got the red LEDs in it. It's 112-inch, tuned to 34 hertz. Say Scar Audio sub. He's gonna bring me the sub when he comes to pick up the car, then I'll throw it in right quick. But as you can see, it's flushed out. Metal mesh in front of it, red LEDs on this Aero coupe. Center console. Car's all back together now. Passenger side. Pioneer head unit. It's ready for pickup. It's finished product. Custom trunk. Custom console and full music install. On this original Aero coupe. Nice and simple. That'll be it for this video. Slow-mo 8 signing out.